This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without filming any videos. Now, this is a new method. It doesn't have anything to do with Creative Commons or reposting gaming videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make videos to help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about today. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped on my channel. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I might be giving away something special. So please watch it to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this new method to make money on YouTube without filming any videos. Okay, I'm on YouTube, and I'm going to just show you an example of one channel that is doing the relaxation music method. So here, I'm at this channel. It's called Soothing Relaxation. It has over 3 million subscribers. And let's see, let's click on this one right here. It's been only one day and it already has 107,000 views. But let's see, I'm gonna scroll down and see. Oh. Yeah, let's go ahead and click on one of these newer ones. Here's one.
Robinhood is an investing app that lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies all.
See, it has ads. So all they doing, they have their little intro. Got a picture in the background. And it's just a really kind of a image in the background. It's a nice live image. And it just has soothing music. Then look, now the screen is blank, so you really don't even have to have any images. So that's the example of that one. And this has a lot of views. It's only been 6 days. It has 339,000 views. So now we're going to go to Social Blade and we'll show how much this channel has made or making. Alright, I'm on Social Blade and I went ahead and searched for Soothing Relaxation. And as you can see here, they make in between $11,000 and $186,000 each month. And over here they make $139,000 a year, in between $139,000 a year to $2.2 million, just making videos with relaxation music on and with images. So let's look a little bit closer. Look at the views here. They're averaging over 1 million views a day, over 5,000 subscribers a day. This is something else here. So there you go. So this will be a good niche to get into. So that's it. Okay, I'm on my YouTube account And what we're going to do is click right there and go to Creator Studio. Once we get there, we're going to scroll to the bottom here and we're going to click on Create. And then we're going to choose Audio Library. Once we get there, this is the screen that's going to pop up. And you can see his copyright-free music we can use. And as we scroll down here, you can see all the different genres you can use. And here's all the different moods of music we can use. And here's different instruments, and here's the hours that we can add to the music. You know how long it's going to be. So right here, let's search for relaxation. Click search. There you go. A lot of copyright-free relaxation music we can use. So you just pick one of those. I'm going to add that to a video. That's it. Here's the final tool that you need to use to implement this method. Go to unsplash.com and you can get some free images. And these images are copyright free. So like here, you can use some wallpaper for your images for your relaxation music, or like most of the websites, most of the channels they use some nature images. See, like this, like mountains and water, you know, the sky, you know, some very beautiful images they can use. So you just download this onto your computer and add that to your video that you're putting together, your relaxation video. So that was it.
What's up guys, Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make easy PayPal money. So stay tuned.